Hey there. So you guys have one of these and you keep crashing it in the ceiling and you can't keep it under control and you feel the throttle's too much. Well, now do I have the solution for you? Well, not really. It's something not a whole lot of users or websites or anybody really talks about. But with this bad boy, you can get it tamed. So what you actually need to do is you actually go into beta flight. Let me get this switched over here. Go into beta flight and head over to your connect tab here or connect. And what you actually want to do is head over to your PID tuning. So you're not going to worry about your profile, your rate profile, your profile settings, your profile rate settings, or you're going to actually head over. Actually, you are going to worry about your rate profile settings. Excuse me on that. So what you're actually going to want to go do is you're going to want to come down to, like I said, the PID tuning, then head over to your rate profile settings. You're going to want to set your throttle limit. Now you see how it says off and 100. This is probably what is actually causing you major problems right now. So what you actually want to do is select scale, and you want to actually change this down to something probably a little bit more manageable. I am currently flying the Meteor 75 Pro, and I believe I actually have it at 70% throttle limit. You actually want to change your throttle expo. You change this to 0.50. See how that just changed your curve? This is actually going to make it more manageable. Now, this is a number you are going to actually change to suit your needs, your flying habits, whatever you guys need. Because as I have learned, it doesn't matter if it's from the same manufacturer, the same drone, or two different drones, they all act differently and they all need to be changed accordingly. So you're not actually going to worry about any of this here where my mouse is moving around. Don't worry about any of that. So what that is actually for when you fly in acro. I'm just straight out talking when you fly in air, when you're big and newbie, just as myself, because I'm still trying to find my way through into acro. I do believe I probably should spend more time um, in the simulators as it's starting to become cooler weather outside, and cooler weather around here in the fall usually means more rain and more snow. So yeah, um, so after all said and done, you change this. You want to go ahead and hit save, and you are good to go. You're free to unplug your drone just like that and fly. So I hope that was a good. I hope that was a good tutorial for you guys. So thanks for watching and have a great day.